Welcome. You're watching your Trades on AC now. This is Priyanka along with me is Ankita Saxena today. Ankita, what a week! Despite the shaky global cues, Indian market stayed elevated whole this week. What a move from Bank Nifty. In fact, banking stocks did the strong trade. The markets ahead now. To give us more on the direction, we have Ashi Anand, founder and CEO from IME Strategies, Valcreate Investment Managers, and we have Rajesh Palviya to talk us about the index levels. Welcome, gentlemen. Good afternoon. Welcome to both of you. This is Priyanka. First, I would like to put a question to Ashi.
Ankita here joining in. Rajesh, tell us, this week, look at the rally in the banking space. The PSU banks were the top sectoral gainer, up 6.8%. Nifty Bank is up 1.5%. The biggest weekly gain at 12 weeks. And the moves that have come in from Axis and SBI. Will banks really ride the rally going ahead?
Good afternoon. So yeah, definitely overall market structure is looking bullish, and the way broader market is behaving, we are optimistic on the up move of this market, and we expect that this rally can extend further in the coming week also, and possible we can see new all-time high also for the Nifty. If we go with the rollover data, yes, there is a subdued in the rollover action for Nifty as well as for the Bank Nifty. If we compare with the last three-month average as well as with the 6-month average, the rollover action was low. That's why we are seeing Nifty and Bank Nifty was in consolidation for especially in the today's session. But overall stock specific action is clearly there in the market. The sectors which have already shown the breakout in recent past are continuously showing the buying interest. So we believe that after some consolidation, Nifty may attempt to give breakout about 22,500. Once this breakout happens on the closing basis, then yes, possible rally can extend towards 22,750 to 22,800 on the Nifty. So buy on dips is the strategy for Nifty. Your stop loss should be placed at around 22,300. Even for the Bank Nifty, for the current week, Bank Nifty has formed a dozy kind of candlestick pattern. But overall, on the weekly chart, if we analyze the structure, Bank Nifty is moving in up sloping channel. That clearly shows that if there is a sustained buying in the Bank Nifty, and once Bank Nifty manages to cross above 48,500, 600 zone, then possible rally can extend to 49,500 also for Bank Nifty. So again, in the Bank Nifty also, buy on dip should be your strategy. Keep your stop loss at 47,800 to hold your long position. Yes, PSU Bank is looking very attractive. The way most of the PSU bank have performed in the current week, that clearly shows the stock like SBI, Canara Bank, Bank of Baroda, Bank of India. These all stocks are looking very promising. These all stocks have managed to give breakout on the near-term structure, and so we can see a good amount of rally in PSU Bank in the coming week also.
All right, so PSU Bank could ride the rally for the coming week also. We'll understand more on the front of sectors and his personal record.
I'll come to you then. The first session of May series, we ended the day in the red. What does the rollover for April look like? How do you expect the May series to pan out going ahead?
Yeah, so Nifty and Bank Nifty rollover was below to the 3-month, 6-month averages. But if we look at the broader market rollover, that is in line with the previous month, and that is showing that stock specific rollover action was in line with the previous expiry. The way rollover data is now suggesting that most of the sector like oil and gas, infrastructure, real estate, power, metal, these all sectors have attracted the higher rollover compared to the previous month. So I think these all sector may exhibit a good amount of rally in the coming series. For May series, yes, we are projecting range for the Nifty towards 22,100 to 23,000. That's the range we are expecting for May series on the Nifty. And for Bank Nifty, we are projecting range towards 47,200 on the downside, and on the higher side, 49,600 for Bank Nifty with the positive bias, as the most of the stocks, most of the sectors have shown good traction in terms of rollover activity, and the sectors which are already shown a breakout in last couple of weeks, that are clearly in the bullish trajectory only, and the broader market is also in the bullish direction. So we expect that the May series may also continue upward direction, and possibly we could see a new all-time high also in the May series itself.
All-time high can be expected in May series. That's what Rajesh is learning from the current levels of markets. Gentlemen, stay with us. We stay for a short break. More to come once we come back. Revival of Vodafone. In fact, he calls it Vodafone 2.0. But then coming to you, Rajesh. Rajesh, the kind of move we saw from broader markets, mid-cap, small-cap, both outperformed the benchmarks. What do you make out? Which can be the stocks which can perform very well coming week also? The stocks that has made it to your radar.
So I think metal is a space where one can focus at this juncture. Vedanta is looking very promising. The way stock, this is the fourth consecutive week where stock is making higher high-low formation. The way stock has formed a long built-up on the derivative data, rollover action was around 95-96%. So we believe that Vedanta can continue furthermore upside, and we are positive on the stock. Positionally, our target is higher around 480 to 490, but for trading perspective, one can buy Vedanta for upside target of 425 to 430, keep its stop loss of around 390. The second stock that we like is GMR Infra. Stock managed to give breakout of last 3-week consolidation range. Long built up was there in data. Rollover action was around 96%. The kind of breakout which we are witnessing on the daily chart as well as on the weekly chart, we expect that GMR Infra can continue for the more upside towards 96 to 98. One can buy GMR Airport for upside with stop loss of 88. And the third stock is from the cash segment, that is Hudco. Very strong breakout of last 12-week consolidation range. The way stock has broken out, we believe that now Hudco may get good amount of rally in coming week towards 245 to 250. Hudco can be a buy with stop loss of 220.
All right, gentlemen, Rajesh, Ashi, thank you guys so much for your time. Thank you so much for joining us on this show. We will let you go on that note. But moving on, the RT Players edition of Your Trades. Priyanka and I will take your leave. Thank you so much for tuning in.